What's up, everybody? Dan here with westcoastcards.com, and today we're going to be opening some more 2012 Topps Baseball Packs Series 1. There are 10 cards in each pack, and we have 5 packs here to open today. So please subscribe and give a thumbs up and all that good stuff. And without further ado, let's get started. I got my little trusty stand here to hold the cards so I don't touch all over them too much. While I show them off to the camera, to the YouTube. See if we get anything good. Jeff Neiman starts us off. And of course we got a Troy Tulowitzki, Mike Stanton, that's pretty cool. Gold Futures, Mark Trumbo, that's a good one. Jim Thome, Eric Ibar, Scott Sizemore, Yuniesky Betancourt, Craig Kimbrell, and Lucas Duda. Alright, start off with Marlon Byrd, Justin Turner, Vance Worley, Jackie Robinson, Golden Greats. That card, Austin Romine, rookie. Andrew Carignan, rookie. Chris Getz, Mark Kotze of the Brewers, and then Kennedy, Kershaw, and Halladay for Wins Leaders 2011 National League. All right. This is the third pack. There's a Mariano Rivera, David Wright, Tom Gorslani, Hanley Ramirez. We have a Stan Musial and Lance Berkman. Timeless Talents. Hope this goes here. Drew Pomerantz, rookie. Brandon Allen. Drew Storen. Johnny Cueto. Adam Jones. 2 more packs left in this video. What is this Prime Promotion Redemption thing? I don't know. These cards smell weird. Is there like a special thing in there? Or maybe it's that foil. Interesting. Stephen Drew, Edwin Jackson, Trevor Cahill, Jason Isringhausen. That's a very beautiful card. Justin Masterson, Ian Desmond, Delman Young, Aaron Crow, Matt Moore, rookie. And then we have a active American League batting average leaders, Ichiro, Mauer, and Guerrero. So I don't know if this still works or what. Yeah, valid only the week of March 18th, 2012. Last pack magic, you know the deal. Please subscribe and click the bell to give me some good luck on this last pack, and we'll see what we can get. Brandon Belt. Yeah, that last pack smelled funny. I was like, man, there's got to be something special. It had like a funny smell to it. Ben Zobrist, Yadier Molina, Koji Uhara. Cool card. And another giveaway thing. And then we got Craig Kimbrell. And we have Matt Garza, Adam Lind, Brett Wallace, and Nick Hundley. So that's very cool. pull up the everything we got. Got some minis and stuff. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and click the bell and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. See ya.